Hey creators, if you're building your channel and want it to look good as your content feels, well, this video is for you. So today we're diving into how to design stunning personalized YouTube banners and thumbnails using ChatGPT's new image generation tools. So whether you're going for a niche aesthetic or crafting a visual identity for your online persona, this will take your channel to the next level. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you upgrade your visual brand. Let's jump right in. Let's figure out what kind of vibe your banner needs to give off. So, is it that your channel needs to be cozy or cottagecore, bold and tech forward, or maybe you're leaning into a vaporwave or Y2K revival look? Now, YouTube banners are your viewers' first impression, so you want the art to instantly tell your story. So we'll use ChatGPT to develop a precise, aesthetic-driven concept for a banner based on your niche. Okay, so here's the prompt that I've put together right here. Okay, so here we could go hyper detailed YouTube banner design for, let's say, a cozy lifestyle channel, slow living, home journaling. So the colors like beige, cream, soft to taupe or toupe, taupe. Yeah, neutral tones. Okay, and the background texture, linen fabric, handmade paper, and then another one here, floral patterns, has doodles like teacups, open notebooks, candles, wooden pencils. Okay, and a channel name in elegant serif font like Playfair display. Okay, then lighting should feel like a golden hour sunlight. And yeah, here are all the details that is put together right here. And also don't forget this one. Click here, click here. Boom, there we go. So once it's right over here, just click it, then put in or type in your prompt and full details for ChatGPT to render the image clearly. Let's send this off. So yeah, we're aiming to capture a whole mood here for our, let's say, YouTube channel. All right. So it's not just a style that is, it's also your brand. And that's fitting with your content. All right. Just give it a moment for this to generate. There we go. Just keep waiting. All right, as you'll see right here, is starting to roll down with the generated images. So far, so good. Look at that. Looks so good right here. And then, yep, another clear doodle right here in the background. And there we go. And yep, would you look at that? See? Look at this one right here. And we got a textured beige backdrop right here. Look at that. So there's pencil sketched icons right here and subtle floral overlays. So yeah, this is exactly the kind of warmth you'd want for a comfort focused creator. See right here, looking pretty good, I must say. And also, if you feel like it's unsatisfied with any of the details right here, you can just refine your prompt right here. So yeah, this will give us a beautiful base to generate visuals in further process with using ChatGPT for your YouTube art. Nice. Next up, let's focus on character branding. So, whether you're a gaming streamer, beauty reviewer, or finance educator, well, turning yourself into a stylized character can unify your channel's look across banners and thumbnails. You can feed GPT a character prompt based on your personality, niche, and color palette. All right, here's my prompt that I've crafted together. So let me paste this right here. And also, don't forget to click this one and then create image. Boom. So what I want for my avatar, let's see, the focus is dark fantasy book reviewer, for instance. And my distinct features and like kind of a standout with my avatar, let's see, black hair, pale skin, dark eyes behind oversized round glasses, and wears a floor length forest green knit cardigan layered over a vintage poet shirt. So, what would be the style that my avatar would look like? Let's go with, let's say, 3D cartoon model with a white background. So simple as that. All right. So let's send this off right now for ChatGPT to run this and see how it could potentially visualize with the channel's identity that we're planning. All right, getting started. Once again, just be patient with the image rendering process from ChatGPT. It wouldn't take much longer. All right. There we go. It's getting started. Just keep your eyes right over here. And boom, here it is. The final result. Would you look at that? Looks pretty much like it came out of a Harry Potter novel, but it's a little more grounded, you know? As you'll see, it's looking pretty good. Totally nailed the niche vibe right here. So this character can be used in banners, profile icons, and even integrated into thumbnails for consistent branding. And if you don't love the first render, again, you could tweak the vibe with the details from your prompt and let ChatGPT regenerate. So overall, it looks pretty good, I must say. So yeah, before we continue, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Finally, let's talk about thumbnails. So, a strong thumbnail isn't just about looking good. It's about grabbing attention in under a second. So, ChatGPT right here can help you design visual concepts or straight on the thumbnail rendered images from ChatGPT right here that are eye-catching and on brand. So this time let's focus on contrast, bold composition, and emotional expression. All right, so don't forget, view tools, create image, boom, here we go. So here's my prompt right over here. Let me just separate. Hold on, let's give me time. Oh, yep, here it is. There we go. So as you'll see, want a highly specific thumbnail for like a finance video titled How I Saved 10K in 6 months. So thumbnail, cartoon, cartoon style version, creator in mid shot, white eyes, open mouth and shocked expression, arms raised in excitement, yet supposed to be like caricature. Ooh, my tongue is a little tight right now. Okay. So background, vibrant yellow, dollar bills flying across the frame, something like that, and title text, bubble font, thick black outline. And yeah, here we go. So, and last up, I also add this one, landscape aspect ratio for thumbnail, just to be sure. There we go. And now let's send this off right now and see what ChatGPT gives us to work with this. Right? Create image, all the prompts, right? Getting started. Boom. Again, let's keep waiting. Right over here. Okay, just be patient for a bit. All right, it's getting started. All right, just wait for a while. Okay, so as you'll see, it's currently loading up really well, and so far looks pretty good. Just as based from my prompt, the black outlines right here, the shocked expression of the person right here, flying money right over here is exactly with the details and all. Looks pretty good. Would you look at that? Alrighty, it's starting to load up, and yeah, there we go. See right here? The energy is really there, and the art is actually so good. I may have missed out on the image ratio, but everything else actually looks good. So this type of idea or concept art for your thumbnail right here really pulls eyes in and encourages the click. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It actually came off really well done right here. So yeah, encourage you to try this. So look at that. And yeah, that's how you can turn ChatGPT into your personal graphic design assistant for YouTube channel art. From cozy aesthetics to standout thumbnails, like this one, my goodness, this is so good right here. This tool opens up a whole new world of visual possibilities. And until then, see you all in the next video. Bye.